Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be recycling water heaters. I'm going to show you the process I go through step by step. So sit back and enjoy and relax. In this scene, I am stripping all of the precious metals. We got stainless steel, brass, and a little bit of copper. I highly recommend flushing the water heater once a year. This white stuff that I pick up, it's calcium, perfectly normal. But over time, it builds up and the efficiency of your water heater goes down. Now we're going to be adding the copper and brass we salvaged from the water heaters. I'm going to add it to my overall collection. I don't plan on touching it, just going to let it stack up and see where it goes. In a future video, I'm going to make a custom storage and clean all of this up. In this scene, you guys are gonna watch me break my back. I'm gonna start with the heavy one, big 75 gallon, and slowly fill the truck up. Now that the truck is loaded up and strapped down, we're gonna head to the scrapyard. How much do you think they're going to give us? Take a guess and leave your answer in the comments. A whole $55. Wow. Maybe I should be friends with these guys. Maybe they'll give me better prices. I don't know. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you. We'll see you on the next one.